Hello and welcome to another tutorial by the Free College. Today we will be looking at the photo gallery code for a Wikipedia page. And this is going to be the first tutorial video in the series done on an iPhone. Prior to this, we've used Windows 7, Linux Mint, and Windows 10, but we're going to go ahead and try this. So what you're going to want to do is go to TN, like Tennessee, the abbreviation for Tennessee, .wikipedia.org. Go to the search bar, type in USA, and there you have it. This page is mostly made up of a gallery. On the top right, top middle, you're gonna see Fitola Matsuedi. You're gonna click that, and that's where you're gonna find the code, right here. So you're obviously gonna want to move this to your sandbox to modify it, and in video 4 of this series, we go over uploading of a photo and getting the file code to add to anywhere for an image. So thanks for watching.